Let's go together here on a walk, on an evening walk, night walk to the Basilica here in Nazareth, the Church of the Annunciation. Look at this. Isn't that nice? Let's go together.
الان هذا بعد كذا كيسر يلا باي يلا
I'm coming, sir. I'm coming with you. Up there, I'm following the master. Hello. Hi. C'est bien la vie à...
Vous connaissez le français?
Oui, je connais le français. La vie est belle ici?
Oui, beaucoup mieux qu'à Tel Aviv.
Ah,
C'est
pourquoi?
super Nazareth. Parce que Tel Aviv c'est plus moderne, on n'est pas dépaysé, alors que là c'est bien, on est vraiment.
Donc, c'est comment tu as dit, ici c'est plus?
C'est mieux.
C'est mieux. Pourquoi?
Pourquoi?
Pourquoi c'est
Non, mais
mieux à
parce que c'est
Nazareth?
beaucoup plus chaleureux, beaucoup plus vivant. Enfin, ouais,
Plus authentique.
Ouais,
Okay, so you say it's more authentic here in
Yes.
Nazareth than in Tel Aviv, and more
Yes.
real, the people more kind.
Yes.
Really?
Of course.
Okay,
Yes.
you speak English as well?
A
little bit.
I have a very bad English.
Yes. You make a little exactly for my YouTube channel. I'm from Medjugorje, and it's nice.
What?
I live in Medjugorje, in Bosnia-Herzegovina.
Okay.
And,
you come from there?
I come from there right now. Yesterday.
Okay, and why you are here?
Because I like Nazareth. I like Our Lady.
You already come here once, or it's your first time?
No, I came often here. I came
Okay.
often to
Ah,
the Holy
nice.
Land or Israel.
It's our first time here. So
It's the
wonderful.
first time. That is
Yes.
cool. That is very nice. Where are you
And,
from?
We make some friends.
Yeah, very
here,
good.
They are very nice.
And how long do you stay here in
1 month in Israel.
in 1 month all over?
Yes.
That's beautiful.
We will go to Jerusalem 10 days, and
Yeah.
after we will go in Tiberiad,
Yes.
Capernaum.
Wonderful. And how is the experience being here so far?
Yes, I love our big country.
Yeah, you
Yes.
like it as well?
Yes.
Good. That is wonderful. Okay.
It's wonderful. Goodbye,
Yeah.
and have a good trip.
Check out the YouTube channel. It's called Tom Medjugorje.
Tom, how can you repeat the name of
Tom Medjugorje. Medjugorje is this one here. Medjugorje, like this.
Tom
Medjugorje.
Medjugorje.
Yeah. Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Ciao. And there is. So you see, people are more authentic here and more kind. And here we are. There is Khalid, and we are going now to adoration with Khalid, the master of the ceremony here in Nazareth. There is the master. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. This is the Church of the Annunciation, right? Yes, I'm coming, buddy. Let the car pass by. Wow. Look at this. I'm coming, buddy.
How are you?
I'm good.
Sleep well.
I
Have good rest.
a little rest, but not sleeping.
Adoration
Let's go to adoration
Yeah,
together.
Meister, the real Meister waiting.
Yes, I'm
The real
coming.
Nazarene one.
Yes, let's go to the real one,
Not the fake one.
not the fake one, the real one. You are a real Nazarene as well, man.
Yeah.
Wow,
And
listen to
tomorrow
that.
during the day you can see all these photos in the wall by
Yeah.
every country, how they imaging of Our Lady, how she look this all here, Philippines, Turkey.
Wow,
Ukraine, all around the
beautiful.
world.
Okay,
And you know what?
Yeah.
Here they have
yeah.
lovely story for the Bible, about all the Bible, whole
Uh-huh.
Bible from the beginning, from
Yeah.
the Annunciation until the cross. You can see step by step. Now it's
Wow.
dark, but tomorrow during the day you can film that. It's really nice.
Yes, I will.
Come
Good
get
idea.
in,
Let's
they're
go.
Really lovely. They have
Yeah.
many people from
Okay.
Poland and Spanish, Italian.
Let's go together.